Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead, where today we got a new garden bed. Check this thing out. That is 48 inches in diameter. So it's going to take a little bit to fill it up. So what I did was I layered the bottom with cardboard to suppress the weeds. Now, part of that had weed barrier on it from 2 years ago, but to be safe, we lined it with cardboard, and then we have started a layering process for the bottom with pine bark. Now, this pine bark is from our homestead. All the materials that we're going to be using today to fill this bed are all organic from our homestead. This pine bark will break down along with the cardboard. The next layer we're going to put on there is some ashes, and then pine shavings, and then rabbit manure. We got a layer of ashes, we got our pine shavings, and a layer of rabbit manure. Fresh from the homestead. Our rabbits give us manure. We turn around and grow them lettuce. They eat the lettuce and they give us more manure. Great nutrients for the soil and for growing. And we have mushroom compost. And this bed is ready for planting. Now, where are we going to plant? Okay, let's see. So the plan is to plant corn in the middle. Then we're going to do jalapeños and red bell pepper in the middle area. And then around the outer layer, we're going to do flowers. Let's get to planting. Okay, so we have this 4-foot round garden bed all planted. We have sweet corn planted in the center. And then along the outer rim of that, we have jalapeños and red bell peppers. And they rotate all the way around. And then over here on this side, we have nasturtiums along the edge. And then we have zinnias and marigolds planted all the way around the outer edge of this. And the reason we did it like that was because of the way the sun moves. So the sun comes up over here and then sets on this side. Nasturtiums will like the partial shade. So we've got some stuff here in the garden that will shade that some in the afternoon. And then the rest will get full sun most of the day. So anyway, we'll see how this turns out. And I want to take some time to thank our sponsor for today's video for sending us this 4-foot in diameter garden bed. We have put it to great use out here in the garden. It's just another extension of the garden. And thank you guys for coming along with us on this video. If you are interested in this 4-foot round bed, this is well made, sturdy. No flimsiness to this. It is sturdy just like my other beds. Very well made. And you can find this in our Amazon store in the gardening section, or there is a link in the description with the promo code. You can purchase from that link or from our Amazon store. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.